Hey there again, my name is Aisha Ochuwa, and today I want to appeal to your conscience by speaking to you about the greater good in business. Now, the reason for bringing up this topic is because these days we find companies who do not mind producing very low standard goods just to increase their profitability. By the time I buy a pen and I realize that it is the substandard version or the quality is low, I wouldn't buy the pen anymore. I will avoid that brand and I will ensure that my friends and family members avoid that brand also. But if I buy this pen and the quality is good, I like it, it works well, I will recommend. And one customer is equals to 20 customers because a returning customer will also refer other customers who will also become returning customers and keep referring. Don't try to maximize your profits and then produce substandard versions of what you would have made more money from. If you think producing in bulk at low standards will get your company profit, then you are up for something, because trust me, your products will be in the market with no one buying them. If you are into the oil and gas exploration, make sure that the environment is safe. Don't just do your business, make your money and leave the residents to die. If your business activities will disturb the environmental balance in one way or the other, make sure that there are some form of healthcare facilities put in place, something to make them, as you are polluting the environment, make sure that there is a form of healthcare provision for them.